Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe and like our videos, and also share this with your friends and family. It's a form of sadaqah for me and also a form of sadaqah for you. Jazakallah khair. So today we'll cover what is a sukoon, the difference between sukoon and sakin, and then go through one example. Moving on, what is a sukoon? Now this tells us there's no sound. A sukoon means there's no sound on the letter. So on the harf there's no sound. For example, a fatha on top of an alif would be a. Alif fatha a. Now if there's a sakin on top of the alif, this has no sound until there's something before it. For example, ya fatha alif ya. Now moving on, depending on which Quran or Qaida you use, the sukoon symbol will look like this, either the first or the second one. Now that we've completed what is a sukoon and what it does and how it sounds, we'll move on to the difference between a sukoon and a sakin. Okay, simply put, a sukoon is just the symbol. As you can see here, a sukoon is just a symbol, and a sakin is this symbol on top of the letter. Example, so a sukoon is just a symbol, a sakin is a symbol on top of the letter. Now moving on to the example. Now on top of this example, the way it's said is, so you join the alif fatha onto the ta. So the alif fatha you join onto the ta, giving us the sound at. Now that completes the sukoon wa sakin section of this video. If you're still struggling with this video, please leave a comment in the comment section below and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Again, please like this video, and if you haven't already done so, subscribe and share this video with family and friends. Jazakallah khair. Assalamu alaikum.